Is your Ninja Speedi struggling due to overloading? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your appliance will handle tasks smoothly again. Begin by reducing the load. Overfilling the pot or basket forces the motor to work harder, causing strain. Follow the 2/3 fill rule. Never exceed 2/3 capacity for solids or liquids. For high-demand functions like pressure cook or air fry, use smaller batches to avoid overloading. Next, reset the appliance. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary errors and reduce system strain. This also prevents overheating, similar to how computers need breaks during heavy use. Clean the vents and fan. Blocked airflow from debris or grease can cause overheating, especially during prolonged use. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clear obstructions. Refer to your manual for vent locations. Check for firmware updates via the Ninja app. Outdated software may lack optimizations for handling heavy workloads. Updates often improve performance and stability. For persistent issues, simplify your workflow. Avoid running multiple high-intensity functions back-to-back, e.g. roast followed by sear. Space out tasks to let the Speedi recover between cycles. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!